All right, let me see if I can do this. So you literally, you got the cord here, hook it up, and that's where you loosen and tighten it up. So what I'll do is I will verify there's nothing in the hole here. I will put a slight silicone on the MAF, and I will, since my connector is just a hair longer now, since I reconnected it, resoldered it, I will likely connect everything together, then put it together. So this is the first video. 7mm socket head with a swivel on it and a long extension. All right, that's the first part. Okay, like I said, put a little silicone, and so I'm going to, so I've actually labeled mine, so the neck, I'm going to put some silicone here, just like a little bit, and then I'll have another video of putting it together. Okay, I'm connecting this, snaps in, and then I will insert in neck, rubber neck. At least I'm going to try. Okay. Thanks, Cole. That's it. See if that is the right angle. And so, like I said, just put it on the cord. And no, you can't see it. Right there. I'm literally tightening it up. Should be getting tight here in just a second. And that's it. It's tight. It's on solid. It's all the way down the rubber sleeve. One other thing I just thought to mention, so on my connector here, my connector has a button you push in and it releases and pulls out. Yours will likely have a clip, much looks like probably this part here, and you would basically get a dental tool, pull that out, and then you can pull it out. Mine's different again because I replaced it with a latest greatest one. I was resoldering, connecting all because the neck was pretty bent. The wires were pretty ate up from just heat. But anyways, yours will probably likely have a connection piece on that. And like I said, put a dental tool, put it down. Make sure you have something to hold on to it. I usually use this. Somebody had called it a roach clip. I guess that would be a good name for it as well. Anyway, good luck. Please subscribe.